How to use the Minipresso GR, a step-by-step guide. The first step is to pull the cup from the top of the Minipresso. Next, unscrew the portafilter. Then remove the filter basket from the Minipresso and using the included scoop, add 8 grams of finely ground coffee. Lightly tamp the coffee in the filter basket using the bottom of the scoop as a tamp. Place the filter basket into the Minipresso. Screw on the portafilter. Next, unscrew the water tank and add hot boiling water up to the line. Screw on the water tank. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Pump the Minipresso to extract the espresso. Enjoy.
Hi, my name is Jessie, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Bodum travel press in stainless steel. The French press way of making coffee is easy, even in a travel mug. Simply put your coarse ground coffee grinds right in the bottom of the mug, hot water, wait 4 minutes, and press. I personally like to put coarse ground coffee grinds in the morning before I leave for work, and then add hot water once I get to the office. Then I have a great fresh cup of coffee right at my desk. The double wall stainless steel is vacuum sealed, so it keeps hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold for much longer than your average travel mug. This Bodum travel press comes with an extra lid, so you don't just have to use it for your coffee and tea, you can use it as a commuter mug.